This Autodesk Fusion tutorial will show you how to arrange parts for laser cutting to lay flat, and it'll show you how to do that with two different arranges. The reason for that is if you look at this laser cut lamp stand, I have 6mm stand legs and 3mm supports in the middle. To create a layout, generally it's a good idea to create a sketch right on the ground plane, and then we need two sketches for two layouts. So I'll press R for a rectangle. These rectangles don't need to be precise yet, they just need to be big enough. But we'll do some dimension constraints. I'll make both of these collinear to each other. Press L and I'll draw from here to here. And then I'll draw from the origin to here. Make these vertical. Press X, make both of these construction lines. And then I'll give these just some round dimensions. From the origin to here, about 150. And then from here to here, we can just do 50. That just helps lock those into place, and then I can make these just big enough for the arrange. Finish the sketch. Now, it's really hard to see through this. I've applied a clear material for rendering, so I can go to Inspect, Display Component Colors, and now I can see everything as their individual components. I have all these fasteners that can be confusing, but I have them in their own component assembly, so I can just hide them. Then we need to arrange these pieces on the ground. Click Modify, Arrange. First, let's go ahead and arrange the legs. So in the Arrange tool, it says Objects and Envelopes. The objects we want are these legs. Then the envelope will be this envelope right here, the sketch. And you can see how those are laid flat. We can go ahead and press OK. Then we'll go ahead and say Modify, Arrange. This time, the objects will be all of these pieces right here. Sometimes Fusion is smart enough that if I marquee select just like that, then I select the envelope, it'll lay everything flat. But notice that there's not enough space. That's okay, we can make the sketch bigger. Press OK, then just drag this sketch line out until they all fit. And that's why we haven't dimensioned these yet, so now I can move this over to where it's close enough to be the smallest piece possible. And I can bring this one over to be the smallest piece possible. Then right-click, edit that sketch, and give these nice round dimensions because you need to cut these out of your material. Press D. Select here, I would say 145, 199, so round up to 200. This one here is 243, so again, 245. And then this dimension, 261, so 262. Finish the sketch. And now we have these laid out, flat, ready for laser cutting. We also have the thick parts on one platform and the thin parts on the other. Now, the Arrange tool is only available in some of the licenses of Fusion. But you can do this with planar joints. Instead of having these sketches, just extrude down, make a solid right there, and then make planar joints. And then you can easily move these pieces around to have them all flat. It doesn't do it automatically, but it only takes a couple more minutes of work. So you can use this same process. And if you are interested in how to arrange things without the Arrange tool, I have a video linked in the description. Happy 3D modeling.